Hello and welcome to the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I am in the Azimut display standing in front of the brand new Azimut A45. Cesar, can you tell us a little bit about this boat?
Sure. This particular boat, it's a great new model. It is replacing the old 43, and as you can see, they included a lot of cool features, just like the Aztec, which is a synthetic material, very resistant, very easy to clean. That is replacing the teak. You can see that it is very spacious. It has 3 cabins and 2 heads, which is very, very good for a boat this size. You can also see how well built it is. Look at the materials. You have the new fabric for the sofas, which is water resistant, and it's also very good for stains. You can also find the Garmin electronics for the chart plotters, and of course, all I can say is just come here, check the boat. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to see all of our new products.
Yeah, I definitely agree. The Azimut display is over the top amazing. If you can make it down to Fort Lauderdale, please stop by and see the Azimut display. If you can't make it, we have another option for you. Visit MarineMax.com/online boat show, where you can see all the boats that we have on display. You can chat with a boating professional. You can even place a deposit on a boat to hold it. If that's the boat you love and you want it, $1,000 will place a hold on that boat. Visit us online or stop by. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.
Thank you.